Hey guys, I'm Sneha and you are watching my channel Book Junction. Welcome to today's vlog. It's a pretty random and non-bookish vlog, so I really hope that you will enjoy it. So today I'm going to use Smart Choice egg noodles. This is the first time I'm going to use this. Let's see how it turns out. This contains eggs, so if you're a vegetarian you can't have it. And I will add pasta and pizza sauce. I think it's a good idea to do something special for yourself sometimes, especially during this pandemic when it's not always cool to go out. Doing something fancy at home is just as enjoyable, at least for me. I also got this drink from Spencer's a couple of weeks back. It has aloe vera and mixed berries extracts. They are calling it a healthy drink, however, it does have sugar and preservatives. I think you can replace carbonated drinks with this one, so let me know your thoughts. It's super tasty, by the way. It's not too sweet. It has a slight tinge of bitterness because of the aloe vera, and overall I loved it. It's super refreshing. I did a project with the stationery brand Itsy Bitsy, and for that they sent me some of their products. This is not sponsored. I didn't do the project for YouTube, it was a separate one. But since you guys enjoy stationery hauls, I thought of showing you all the items in this package. These are handmade flowers. These are so freaking beautiful. I love the colorful ones, but even the whites are so graceful. These can be used in some DIY craft. Next, we have a bottle of glue and multi-surface paint. They sent me these in 3 shades. I'm thinking of using these to paint wood and create something. This is a black primer. Then there are these chalk acrylic paints from their home decor collection. These can be used on multiple different surfaces too. My favorite is metallic wax that they sent in 2 shades, golden and silver. These are so pigmented and they are so smooth and soft, and they smell absolutely divine. I always wanted a fan brush, and luckily they sent me one, so I don't have to purchase one anymore. Then we have this 6x8 canvas. It's a stretched canvas, so I can hang it somewhere in my room. Then they sent this hardboard, I guess that's what it's called. These papers are like stick-ons, so you can stick them on any surface. And lastly, they sent this pack of cardstock papers in the theme Botanical Gardens. These can be used for journaling or any other craft purposes. I also got some aesthetic pictures printed from a local shop. I downloaded the pictures from Pinterest and got them printed. Each sheet cost 20 rupees, so overall 80 rupees. Since I didn't set these pictures myself, so there was some vacant space left on the sheet. Never mind, next time I'll do it myself. I printed these pictures for some DIY craft and also for my creative journal. Cutting out these pictures was so therapeutic, and I really had such a fun time. So this was all for today's vlog, guys. In the next video you will get to see a book haul, so definitely consider subscribing and hit the bell icon for the notifications. If you enjoyed this vlog and found it valuable, then definitely hit the like button, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.